Okay guys, I thought I'd try and get this on camera. This is a package I received in the post today. This is from MentoOsmann. Sorry mate if I've said your name wrong. So I thought what I'll try and do is open it up on camera and do an out of packet pick. So we'll give it a go. Feels like we've got something else in there. Ooh. Oh, brilliant. Thanks, mate. Sent me a little bonus lock there. A little Burg Wachter C line, 30mm. That's a nice little bonus. Thanks for that, mate. Well, this is the one I was waiting for. This is the one we traded for. There we go. It's a Burg Wachter Gamma 700. Made in Germany, top security. Not sure what that says there. Real nice lock. Bit of a nasty keyway on it. No key with this one. So right, let's see if we can get it picked. Okay, it's fine. Okay, definitely got spool pins in this, so they could be mushroom pins. Real nasty little keyway on this one. And there we go, there's a full set on it. Okay, caught up on a spool pin here at the back. Feels like that could be the last pin. There we go. That's picked. Nice spring there on the shackle. Ball bearing locking, double ball bearing. Okay, it's not key retaining. Oh, that's a nice pick that is, full of spool pins. I think it's a 5-pin. And I reckon there's probably about 4 spool pins in there from the feel of it, or mushroom pins. I can't be 100%. But no, thanks for that, mate. That's a really nice lock. That'll go nicely in my collection. Nice one to pick. So thanks, MentoOsmann. I think that's how you say it. Sorry, mate, if I'm saying it wrong. And also, thanks for the little bonus lock. That's brilliant. Probably get that one. Try and get that one picked in another video. Try and keep this one as short as I can. Okay guys, well thanks for watching. Please do keep watching because I'll always be uploading more videos. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. And don't forget, check out MentoOsmann's channel. He's a great lock picker and a great guy, and he's got some real good videos up. Okay, thanks for that. Cheers guys.